Samsung's new auto blocker, a shield for your phone. What is auto blocker? Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 come equipped with a groundbreaking security feature called auto blocker. This intelligent system is designed to safeguard your device from potential threats. A shield against sideloading. Auto blocker acts as a vigilant guardian, preventing users from installing apps from sources outside the trusted Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. This practice, known as sideloading, can expose your phone to malware and other security risks. How auto blocker works. When you attempt to sideload an app, auto blocker swiftly intervenes. A clear and concise message appears on your screen, informing you that the installation has been blocked for your protection. Prioritizing safety. Samsung's commitment to user security is evident through auto blocker. By restricting app installations to authorized sources, the company aims to create a safer mobile environment for its users. Enhanced protection. Auto blocker is part of Samsung's broader security suite, which includes features like Knox and Secure Folder. Together, these components work to fortify your device against various threats. User-friendly approach. While auto blocker is designed to be strict, Samsung understands the need for flexibility. The feature can be managed through device settings, allowing users to adjust its behavior based on their preferences. A step towards a safer digital world. Auto blocker represents a significant stride in mobile security. By proactively blocking potentially harmful apps, Samsung is contributing to a safer digital ecosystem for its users. Empowering users. With auto blocker, users can enjoy peace of mind knowing that their devices are protected from malicious software and other cyber threats. Peace of mind. In today's digital landscape, security is paramount. Auto blocker offers users a robust defense mechanism, allowing them to focus on what truly matters without worrying about their phone's safety. A promising future. Samsung's introduction of auto blocker signifies a promising trend in the mobile industry. As technology evolves, we can expect to see more innovative security features emerge to protect users.